Ready to play LLMs, 3 truths and 1 lie. Here's how it works. There are 5 rounds. Can you spot the lie in each round? You have 3 seconds of thinking time for each statement. Round 1, number 1. LLMs, which stands for large language models, are based on probability, not understanding. Number 2. The first neural language model appeared in the early 2000s. Number 3. GPT-3 has more neurons than the human brain. Number 4. Many LLMs are trained on Wikipedia data. Which is the lie? The lie is number 3. GPT-3 has 175 billion parameters. However, that's nowhere near the 86 billion neurons in the human brain, as well as synaptic connections, which provide a much more complex and sophisticated computational capacity. Round 2, number 1. LLMs don't think. They predict the next word based on patterns. Number 2. LLMs often make up fake facts. Number 3. LLMs have difficulty generating humor. Number 4. LLMs are trained to remove bias. Which is the lie? The lie is number 4. While there are efforts to mitigate bias in large language models, they are not inherently designed or trained to eliminate it entirely. Large language models are trained on vast datasets that often contain biases, which can be reflected in the model's outputs. Round 3. Number 1. Most large language models learn and generate human-like text through publicly available text scraped from the internet. Number 2. Large language models know private conversations from Gmail and WhatsApp. Number 3. Large language models learn from books that are still under copyright. Number 4. Training a model can use more energy than some small countries. Which is the lie? The lie is number 2. Large language models aren't trained on private messages unless leaked or scraped illegally, which would be a major privacy issue. All right. Here we go with round 4. Number 1. LLMs can write working computer viruses on their own. Number 2. LLMs can solve math problems but often fail at basic arithmetic. Number 3. LLMs sometimes refuse to answer questions. Number 4. Many LLMs have left-leaning political biases. So which one is the lie? The lie is number 1. All computer viruses are man-made. However, there's a concern that LLMs can assist someone with malicious intent in creating malware. The 5th and final round is next. Number 1. LLMs will likely become part of nearly every job. Number 2. While LLMs can simulate empathy, they will never actually experience it. Number 3. LLMs will eventually replace all teachers. Number 4. Open source models are getting powerful enough to rival corporate AI. Which is the lie? The lie is number 3. LLMs may assist in education. However, they can't replace the emotional support, tailored learning, or empathy that teachers provide. Were you able to spot the lies? Remember, it's not about getting it right, but enjoying the process of getting it. Still interested in LLMs? Then continue the Triple Play's One Concept, 3 Ways to Learn series by watching the explainer video in under 5 minutes from Huh? to Aha on LLMs, as well as playing the What's an LLM Crossword Challenge all words no cross. And if you enjoyed this content, Please like and subscribe for more learning without the lecture that enlightens, tests, and stretches your neural muscles. Until next time, nerdy and proud.